Okay, so let's see what I have right now for everyone. So hope you remember I have started talking on types of retail store or types of retail business worldwide. So what are the different category we have, and under one category what kind of a store you can open, correct? So let's begin. I'll not take a lot of time. I'll come to my point. So we know that we have a different category which is related to each business. So we have a food and beverage, fashion and accessories, hobbies and interest, religion and belief, then home and living, unique stores, health and wellness, then area specific, then electronics and technology, sports and outdoor and services. So yes, of course, if you find something new that need to be added, so I have given a question mark. You can suggest me. Okay. So before going to the next category and talking, please understand. These are the types of business. These are types of category. Got many kind of store, many kind of shop. Okay. So that you can choose based on your own experience and all the things. So nothing else. And before choosing anything, please do your own research and development. That's things. And yes, of course, I have suggested some thing which will help you to run the business. It's like before opening any shop or when you are running any store or departmental store, what are the very basic thing you need? See, a lot of business talks are available on YouTube, but there are a very small thing which we ignore, and because of that, our business goes here and there. So that small thing I have added in my last video. You can go and you can see. So let's see what I have today. So now we are going to talk about electronics and technology. So what is electronic? Anything related to electric, nothing else. What is technology? Anything which is again related to electronics, where we are taking a help of tech. Correct. Acha, I'll tell you one more thing. Nowadays in our life, two things are very much important. First thing is electric, and second thing is internet. If you remove both from your life, you will become a normal human being. Just think, okay, I'm telling you true. So when we talk about the electronics and technology, so these two things will be very common. Yes, of course, there are a lot of things related to computer science and AI and all the things, correct? So I'm not a computer guy, but I know little bit, so I can give some kind of understanding. Okay. So the first store what we have electronic store. So anything which is related to electric or internet you can sell. Then phone store nowadays very common. Whenever you want to buy any mobile and all the thing, you'll go to the particular store. So we have very specific store for the selling mobiles and phones. Correct. Then computer store we cannot ignore. This is nowadays it's our basic accessories, our basic support to our life. Then gaming store, yes, of course, you want to play game or you want to buy some kind of a game and all the thing, you go to that store. Smart home store, this is again nowadays very famous, but it's only limited to premium category of customer, either above premium. Okay. So what is a smart home store? Suppose you need to have a digital lock for your door, correct? Or digital communication with your inside the home, whatever the things you have. So for that, you go for the smart home store. So they will give you certain kind of tools which you can use. Audio equipment store. So again, this is related to your different kind of business need and all the thing. Then camera store you cannot forget, but now this is also become very old thing, but still it's there. Lot of brands are having their unique and EBO kind of camera store. You will get only the things related to camera. So, see, I'll tell you why it's old something like that. Please understand and do not take my words in a different way, because each one has a mobile and the mobile got the camera, correct? So, because of that only I'm telling, but still there are a lot of demand for the camera and they're high-end cameras. Remember this. Then drone is so this is a new technology you cannot ignore nowadays. It's a very much in demand. It's a year 2026 where I'm recording my video. Remember this, and the month is March 2026. So a lot of wars are going on, and you can see the what is the importance of drone, correct? Yes, and yes, of course, drones are not only related to war and they are particular the tool for the supply. Anything you can supply anywhere without any hesitation, without any disturbance and all that. But there are you need to do the huge investment. But to open the drone store, no, nothing. The minimum investment needed, nothing else. Wearable tech store. So what is wearable? Suppose you are wearing a smart watch, correct? Headphone, correct? Ear guards and all the things. So that how it goes there. Repair store. You cannot uh, ignore this. Suppose if you have a mobile, either drone and all the thing, you need a repair, correct? So you'll go to the shop. I'll one more thing I'll tell you. Suppose you have any electronic store or technology store, if you are selling any product, please have a service part for that. And please tell to your society also to learn certain things. So you'll be having a technician, with you, and they can do a lot of repairing work for your customer. Then electronics recycling store. This is also very much important when you're buying a laptop, mobile, correct? Maybe air purifier, correct? Are some kind of a smart devices after certain years certain time they will become useless, so where to sell, where to give? So for that also you can open a store and you can say you can sell your old electronics and technical things to us, and we will buy and we do recycle and all the things. Then virtual reality stores, again the last video I have talked on this, no talk. 3D printing, robotic AI stores, cyber security store, IT support store and all the things. Then yes, web development stores. So this is also related to electronics and technology. Remember, without a website, you cannot do anything right now. You need to connect to the people. So you need to find the store. We need to find the people who can develop the website. And one more thing I'll tell you. So when I say AI and all the things, so yes, you can create a web portal with the help of AI within fraction of minute and all the thing. But trust me, when you need very different kind of a web portal, you should hire the web developer. So you need to go to web store and you need to find your things. Digital marketing store. So again, this is also something very different where you get lot of support for your digital marketing. Correct. Suppose you got the news store and you are talking about, no, I need to advertise online, correct? Somebody should come and make a one page or some kind of advertisement, visual merchandising and all the things. So you can get a lot of attraction, you can communicate and all the things, correct? Yes, digital marketing is very vast, very different, depend on your need and all the things they can do the needful, where they can play a lot of role on social media and all the thing. E-commerce store. So again, you cannot forget this also. This is also related to electronics and technology only. Now you will get bit confused what I'm saying. Please understand. E-commerce store, it's successful when you have in your hand mobile, laptop, computer, where you can see something digitally, correct? So this is related to electronic and technology. Tech rental support, so some kind of a technology you want to have on rent. So that also they provide like AR, VR tools and all the thing they give you for entertainment or for any occasion you want that and you just want to share with your team and all the things. So for that also they help. And there are a lot of audio video tools required, supporting tools that which will help you a lot. Home automation store. So again, it's like see when we talk about the home automation store, like suppose you are in office and you don't have a time and you are reaching late to your home and you want that your some kind of a dish should be ready before reaching to home. So yes, here they will work for you for home automation. They will give you some kind of a device or some kind of a machine they can make with the help of a lot of things, and with the help of internet you can do the communication. You can say please make this kind of a food for me. So that kind of a robot thing, kind of internet thing, kind of technology support, and it happens. So it's kind of a dream. Maybe you are thinking I'm talking, but these are a reality. Then a virtual assistant store. So again, this is very common nowadays, but only at premium level. Remember, are above premium, like above luxury level. Most of the time, you will see a virtual assistant store like you'll find like I'll share one thing. I had been a one store where I need lot of query and all the things. Suddenly, one guy came and sir, you can just enter your mobile number and name, and you can ask a number of a question related to your things. And I did that, and I got that things. And then they have that particular display has guided me what need to be done and where you should go. So this is how it's going on right now, and this is very much helpful for your each walking, correct? AI development store. So again, this is a kind of a center where you open, and a lot of people are there, a lot of machine works together, and they develop a new technology. Tech education is to you cannot forget anything you want to learn related to technology and all the things. So you go there and you find out, yes, this I want to add to my career. I want to add this for my future and all the things. Coding school store. So yes, I guess this is of course, I think a maximum countries in the world they are allowing to their students to learn coding and all the thing from fifth standard or sixth standards, correct? Then tech consulting store. So this is you are a consultant, you are giving a lot of idea, or you are helping to that company related to technological support. Maybe it's electronic, either AI or robotic science or anything, correct? IT consulting is true. So again, it's something. Suppose I need to have a call center which gives a service support after sale. So how many people need it? What are the computer we need? And then what kind of a technical support and tools we need to run that thing. So their IT consulting store works. Even what kind of software needed, how to develop and all the thing they help. Cyber security consulting store. So again, this is not a common thing. Very strong. Remember this, very strong. They take care of each and everything. So I know this also. There are a lot of courses are available, and they do, and they become a cyber security expert, and they become slowly consultant. So they will come with a new idea to support to your web portal, to support to your software and all the thing. Data analytics too. So this is a kind of again a business which you can open. You can have a software engineers who knows about the AI and machine learning, and they can support to the company what kind of a business, how you are earning, what are the customers, how they are behaving with the help of transaction when you do with the help of ERP and all the things. So this is how you get the help. Remember nowadays the biggest wealth or biggest asset is data. If you have lot of information about your customer, you can do wonder, correct? So their data analytics store works. Business intelligence store. So this is again a kind of consulting firm only, where you help to business to do well. They will give you the exact detail related to advertisement, related to the competitors, related to the customer need and all the thing. What will happen after 10 years? That also they give. CRM store. So this is again something very much related to your customer, how to have a better relationship with the customer, or how to have a great business between organization and customer, and maybe B2B and B2C and all the things. Then marketing automation is also this. Yes, a lot of see I know my favorite subject is marketing. So I can speak a lot, but I'll not speak a lot here because this video will become long. Already it's now 15 minutes crossing. So there are a lot of things you can do with the marketing automation store also. Sales automation is a quite common. Customer service store, help desk store, tech support is support and all the things. Then we have a network solution store, cloud computing, This again something very fascinating, and it's a basic need for the each business. Data storage store, you cannot forget, because everybody cannot buy a space or a storage to save for data, so they go for the rent, or they go for the particular space to have their data in a secure mode, correct? Data backup store, again it's a part of data storage store only. Disaster recovery store, so suppose some kind of a technical fault happen and you have lost your some kind of a data and all, how to recover that. For that also we have a disaster recovery store. So you can open an office and you can give this kind of a services. Business continuity store. So suppose your business is running in a loss, and again you want some kind of a consulting firm should come and talk about the things. So here you work. IT infrastructure store. So remember, when you're opening any software company or any call center or any kind of a cyber security things, or any kind of a storage things. So you need this kind of infrastructure. What are the things you need? What are the tools you need? So they will support you. Network security stores, no talk. Endpoint security store. So it's a final kind of thing where you have A to Z and Z to A, all the support. Then identity management store. So this is again, it's a new, it's not in a fashion, but it's a very niche kind of thing where you work, and you give us something very different service as per the demand, as per the requirement. Okay. Then access control store. So what is access control store? For an example, I'll give you. Suppose you have a Gmail, correct? And you create any password ID. So whenever you are creating the Gmail, will ask, can I save this password ID for your future reference? So similar kind of things. We have you can open a store where you give these services to your clients. Surveillance store. So again, this is something very different. So there you use a lot of technical tools to, see what's going and what will the impact of the people action and all the things. So it's kind of a checking kind of thing. Security system is too. So this is also part of surveillance. Only surveillance is a part of security. Smart cities too. So to make a city smart, what are the things you need? Correct. So again, there are a lot of things, CCTV, sensors, so blah blah. IoT store, Internet of Things, anything which is happening with the help of internet, that store. AI store, you cannot forget. Nowadays, a lot of AI tools are available in the market, whether it's related to health, either communication, you can get it. Data science store, so no talk on these things. Without this, you cannot work. Then analytics, so again, same thing. Then business intelligence store. So this is also kind of a office where people work with they give a lot of help to the business to generate the profit. Big data store. So again, it's a storage, cloud service, cyber security, IT service, tech service store, digital service stores, online services store, web services, mobile services store, app store. So you can have, nowadays this is app store is a very common of the, part of the digital departmental store. You get a particular place, particular shop inside the store, that we are selling application and all the thing. Game store, entertainment store. So entertainment nothing but your in electronics and technologies. By default, it's a part of big departmental store, and you find this media store, correct? Streaming, so something you are launching, something new you are adding, and you just go to that place and particularly you launch. Music store, video store, book store, education store, learning store, and training stores. So this is also related to your electronics and technology. Right now, I am recording this video, from my home. So I can create a place where people can come and just do their recording and all the thing, and they can launch their uh, courses online and all the things. That is how you do. So अभी तक जितना भी मैंने बात किया है, वो सारे चीज, ऐसा कोई भी काम जिसमें बिजली की जरूरत हो और इंटरनेट की जरूरत हो, वो आपका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और टेक्नोलॉजी से संबंध रखता है। याद रखिएगा, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और टेक्नोलॉजी में बहुत सारी चीजें कॉमन होती है, जैसे इलेक्ट्रिक का यूज, इंटरनेट का यूज, सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्रामिंग का यूज। सो इसके वजह से हम बहुत सारी चीजें बना सकते हैं, जैसे हमारा ड्रोन हो गया, एआई हो गया, ट्रेनिंग सेंटर हो गए, करेक्ट, बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस हो गए, डेटा साइंस हो गया, करेक्ट। फिर एनालिटिक्स हो गया, मतलब बिजनेस के बारे में बताना, आपका बिजनेस कैसा चल रहा है, 10 साल के बाद क्या होगा। तो बहुत सारी चीजें आप कर सकते हैं। करेक्ट। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट फ्रॉम माई साइड फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. And remember, this is not only limited. You can think n number of idea. You can merge 2 or 3 points together and you can make a store. Correct. Acha, remember, electronics and technology are divided further in a two parts. One is a software and hardware. Correct. Are both mix. Correct. So you can see which part is better when you go for the combination like hardware and software together. So it's mean you are ready to give some kind of a service related to particular product. Correct. So this is how you should think. Like for example, selling a mobile store, selling mobile inside the store. So this is very much the correct example of use of software, hardware, and technology together and electronics. Correct. So you do a lot of good business, and this is the only future. Apart from this, there are a lot of things you can do which I have explained. अगर आपको और भी डिस्कशन चाहिए होगा तो आप बता सकते हैं मुझे, एंड आई विल डू इट. ऐसा कोई भी शब्द मैंने नहीं बोला है जो कि कॉमन ना हो, जो कि पता ना हो, लेकिन बस ये है कि मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि सारी चीजें मैक्सिमम एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपको मिल जाए. अच्छा, रिमेम्बर, कोई भी बिजनेस करने से पहले आप प्लीज अपने आपके जो आपका अपना खुद का बैकग्राउंड है, नॉलेज, उसको चेक कीजिए. एंड आप देखिए कि आपका उसमें इंटरेस्ट कितना है. अच्छा, आप सिर्फ ये मत सोचिएगा कि यार हमें तो ना आईओटी का एक स्टोर डालना है और वही डिमांड में चलेगा. नहीं, आपको उसके बारे में जानकारी होना चाहिए. आप खुद नॉलेजेबल होने चाहिए. करेक्ट. बहुत सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस के ऐसे स्टोर हैं जिसमें आपका मिनिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट लगता है और अच्छा प्रॉफिट कमा सकते हैं. लेकिन याद रखिएगा, कंपटीशन भी उसी तरह है. तो आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि आपके सिटी में कौन सा स्टोर नहीं है. हाँ, 1 हफ्ता टाइम दीजिए, अपने सिटी में देखिए कि क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. पूरे मार्केट को सर्च कीजिए और यू सी कि हमें तो सिर्फ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक का शॉप ओपन करना है, तो हम कौन सा शॉप डालें जिसमें हमारा मिनिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट हो और मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट हो. याद रखिएगा, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और टेक्नोलॉजी से संबंधित जितने भी प्रोडक्ट होते हैं लगभग फायदे में ही होते हैं हमेशा, क्योंकि उनका इन्वेस्टमेंट बहुत कम होता है और आउटपुट बहुत ज्यादा होता है. हाँ, कुछ प्रोडक्ट ऐसे हैं जो मार्केट से आउट हो जाते हैं और दिक्कत होता है, लेकिन बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट आपके मोर देन 70% कभी भी मार्केट से आउट नहीं होते, कभी भी डिमांड से बाहर नहीं जाते हैं. उनको हमेशा आप यूज कर सकते हैं, वो चाहे ऑफिस में हो चाहे घर में हो, कहीं. So there are a lot of things which you can do with the help of your own learning and all the thing. Yes, but don't forget to do the research and development. I am just sharing idea where you can get to know a lot of things. Correct. So for today this much only. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. आप सभी लोग का धन्यवाद. If you like my video, if you like my knowledge, please subscribe the channel and share this with somebody. They can also have something better. Correct. And this channel is only for the knowledge purpose, education purpose, and I'm not interested in here and there kind of thing. So my request, please support and let's learn together. Thank you. We'll come back again with new video.